Green gold. Stay!
Yeah.
Oh, that stuff stinks.
Now he's got it sus.
Marcus, you do it.
Hey?
You don't button your dish steer back out.
Yeah, you do.
You'll do it. Come and look it from this view. You'll do it.
No, you do, mate. Look at your guard on the front.
Do ya?
Yeah, look at your guard. Look.
Yeah, it's just the mud. It doesn't hit anything.
We're like that, smashing it in.
You are dissipating you now.
I've got a perfect picture. I'll have put it in yours. Whoa, look at your fucking now. Slide him off there. That's proper. Now you got it sussed.
Look at that tree trunk.
Where? Yeah.
Where his tyres treaded.
Now he's got it sussed. No way, you won't get out there. Won't have it. Straighten her up, straight. Go on, son, go on. Right hand lock, Mick, right hand lock. Go on, son, nearly. Go on, boy. Go on, she's there, go on! She's there, mate, you're right rocking on the edge. One more, now roll with it. Right. Alright, lock it there, mate, we'll winch it, you're losing. You got it! Go on, son. You having another go? Go on. See? Straight in the steering wheel, that way. That's it. Right, let's get out the way now. No, leave the fucking sticks, Zoe.
Come here.
Obsessed with fucking picking up sticks.
Watch them dogs. Stay.
Ow!
Stay. Come here, Sandy.
Right, you recording now?
Yeah, I'm recording. Stay.
That is impressive the way that fucking gets up there.
Yeah. I I got you on camera saying that. Fuck off trying to run me over.
Jarman, you can't sue him, mate! He's nothing to get! Let's take some photos, hang on. Wait, get out, the door's come open! Did the door come open?
Sandy!
Tiny tip! Mine won't film! Ah!
Did you see his face?
Sandy!
Sandy!
Daniel, get them dogs in, please.
Mine won't film. Send that to me on Facebook. It's on it. What face is?